Welcome back to Nadia's Kitchen Creations. This week I'm making cold brew black tea. This is a small batch, which can easily be doubled. You'll need 2 tablespoons of tea. Place that in a heat-proof container, more if you like it stronger. 4 cups of hot water, not boiling. I just used a mason jar. Give it a quick mix. Loosely cover the container. You can leave it outside on the counter or put it on your patio to get some sun. And then when it's cooled off, you can close it about after 3 hours to 8 hours. You can cover it tightly and store it in the fridge. I like to let it steep for up to 4 to 8 hours. Strain the tea and discard the leaves back in your container, or go ahead and enjoy. I like to enjoy my cold brew iced tea over ice with a slice of lemon. You can sweeten your tea with sugar, simple syrup, honey. I just prefer ice, lemon, and the tea itself. And of course, you can substitute this tea with your favorite green tea or any other herbal tea of your choice. This is a super simple recipe and great as we head into those warmer spring and summer months. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Nadia's Kitchen Creations. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please drop them in the comment section. You can head on over to maplepoints.com for the full and printable recipe. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.